Hello everyone, this is Avantika and giving a brief about myself. I'm a CA aspirant and completed my graduation from Delhi University. So this video is going to be all about some manifestations and something that have turned into reality. So let's begin. दिवाली इज़ जस्ट अराउंड द कॉर्नर एंड बीइंग अ बिहारी हर साल के रिचुअल्स वो साफ़ सफाई एंड तैयारियाँ वो काफ़ी पहले से ही स्टार्ट हो गई है. So I was just rearranging my bookshelf and this is something I have got. Some letters which I have written to myself back in 2021. And I have gone through these letters which I have written to myself and observed something which we call manifestation these days. While going through the letter, I saw the date and it was 19th November. Yes, 19th November was the date जब ICI ने CA फाउंडेशन के एग्ज़ाम्स के एडमिट कार्ड रिलीज़ किए थे. And out of fear, out of excitement, out of that nervousness, I have wrote this letter to myself. Initially, I have talked about how school happened, how I got admission into Delhi University, and then how CA landed. I remember the time when corona happened and जब गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया था that there is going to be no boards exam that year. So I remember texting my coaching teacher that sir ऐसे तो हमारा पूरा ईयर वेस्ट हो जाएगा. And he texted back with बच्चे ऑलरेडी वेस्ट हो गया है. And आई वॉज सो शैटर्ड दैट टाइम कि एक एग्ज़ाम ना होने के कारण पूरा एक साल कैसे वेस्ट हो सकता है. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर माई CA फाउंडेशन एग्ज़ाम एंड इट वॉज almost July or first week of August when I started preparing for my CA foundation paper. And on 19th November I got my admit card, and seeing that in front of my eyes, it was, you know, that feeling of nervousness, that fear of failure was there. And out of that only I have written this letter because I don't feel like sharing this with someone. So I have written here a lots of things about what I'm feeling, how I have prepared, the struggles, the excitement, the expectation of teachers and family members. So everything is there, and I ended this with now only 23 days left for my exams, and a lots of things is still there to study. But I believe I have prepared well, and I'll definitely try to score good marks in my exams. एंड देन अगेन उसी पेपर के बैक साइड पे दैट फर्स्ट लेटर वॉज ऑफ सम 2.5 पेजेस. एंड देन उसी पेपर के लास्ट पेज पे आई हैव रिटन ऑन 21st December 2021. आई रिमेंबर मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स 19th December को ख़त्म हुए थे एंड 20th वॉज माई बर्थडे. सो एग्ज़ाम वॉज ऑफ 4 days, 13, 15, 17 and 19. 20 को मेरा बर्थडे था, सो आई वॉज अ बिट बिजी इन सेलिब्रेटिंग माई डे बिकॉज दैट वॉज माई बर्थडे. एंड काफ़ी दिनों बाद वो पढ़ाई का स्ट्रेस, वो प्रेशर नहीं था. सो हियर आई हैव क्लियरली मैंशन that so again I'm here almost a month back. My exams are over and all papers are good except math, and I believe I'm definitely gonna clear this attempt. So being a non-math student, that fear of failure, especially in maths, was always there. And I have just attempted some 60 marks question because I don't wanted to take that risk of negative marking. So was feeling not that confident that I'm going to score well in mathematics, but just because my accounts and law paper was good, I was confident that I'm going to at least clear my attempt. So again, I have written here that last day was my birthday, about my family's expectation, about my teachers' expectation, their belief and their faith in my result. So I really don't want to, feel them shattered and to break their expectations. So I was really hoping to clear it, and that this was not it. I remember I started my preparation for CA intermediate in January, and I used to write whenever I feel like, that confidence, that thought when popped in my mind that whether I'm going to clear this attempt or not. I always used to write that I'm going to clear this attempt, I'm going to clear this attempt randomly anywhere in any copy. So I don't have that one this time, but getting this letter really make me, leave those moments again, how I was feeling 1 month before my exam and after one day of my examination. So this was really something that was pleasure of reminding, so I'll keep this with me. Then again I got one page, and it was of 1st February 2022. 1st February was again the date when I have here mentioned that yesterday in a conference of ICI, chairman of boards of studies revealed that result may come on 10th of February. So 1st February ICI के किसी मेंबर ने ट्वीट किया था that 10th February को रिजल्ट आ सकती है, and then that Gurgur in Pate again start, and again a lots of nervousness, again that fear of failure, that questioning mind, just there. And again, no matter how confident you are feeling in your preparation, रिजल्ट्स की डेट जब अनाउंस होती है तो वो डर लगता ही है. एंड द सेम थिंग वॉज हैपनिंग विद मी. I have written here that around after 8 days I'll back to share everything. Paper become a best thing by writing. It feels like someone is listening to me, because at that time again I was feeling very nervous, but I know the hard work is going to be worth it. My parents believe in me, my teachers believes in me, and I believes in Bappa, and I definitely believe that I'm going to clear my attempt. So everything I have written there, that I started preparation of CA intergroup 1 accountancy subject, and everything I have written here. And then finally the last one that I have written in this paper on 11th February 2022. 10th को रिज़ल्ट आ गया था, एंड 11th was the day जब मैंने फिर से I have expressed what I'm feeling then. So here I have written, okay, so finally yesterday I got my result, and guess what, I have cleared it. Finally, all the hard work, all dreams to clear it in the first attempt is fulfilled. Everyone is so happy, I'm so happy, and most important thing is my family is so happy. So, and then again I have continued it with मैं मंदिर गई, I thank God, I thank Papa, and it's just a very great feeling. Everyone will agree. जो कोई भी competitive exams clear करते हैं, no matter it's in first attempt or multiple attempts, that happiness of clearing it and going forward in this journey, it means a lot. When your hard work pays off, when you got the result, when you got to see that pass in your mark sheet, that really means a lot. And I got this letter after 3 years, like it's going to be almost 4 years. And it's just I something that I can't explain in words. Through these letters I just got to live those moments again. And the way I have mentioned here my belief that I'm going to clear my attempt, and maybe in today's life I'm lacking that confidence. I don't know why, but the confidence I got to see in the Avantika who have written these letters, I think it's lacking now after 3 years. And at that time I don't know what manifestation is, I don't know what some visualization is, because at that time I don't know how to manifest. Nowadays we have people who are sharing how to manifest correctly, how to manifest something, how to write something. But I believe that unplanned things are the best. You can write your plans, you can write your dreams the way you want, and वो पूरे होते हैं. एंड उसके बाद से शायद मैंने कोई ऐसी लेटर अपने आप के लिए लिखी ही नहीं, because I have found nothing except this. So I just want to write something again for myself, because maybe these letters are the ज़रिया जो मुझे वो चीज़ें रियलाइज़ करवाना चाह रहे हो, that Avantika, you can do. Because what happens, लाइफ में एक पॉइंट ऐसा आता है when you're feeling like you are nothing, when you feel like यार कुछ भी नहीं हो पा रहा है लाइफ में, पहली लाइफ कितनी सही थी, हम स्कूल में थे, देन कॉलेज, देन CA, एंड अभी क्या है, लाइक वॉट वी आर डूइंग इन लाइफ, वी हैव नो आइडिया हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, हम क्या करेंगे, हमारा फ्यूचर क्या है, हमारा फ्यूचर कैसा है, हमें हमें कुछ भी नहीं पता. एंड nowadays I still write, I write how I'm feeling, but there is nothing about, nothing something about manifesting something, because maybe वो दुनिया की चकाचौंध में हम लोग खो जाते हैं, एंड हम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि लाइफ में कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है, या अगर एक वे पता भी है कि हाँ हमें ये चीज़ें करनी है, इस चीज़ में ही आगे जाना है, तो एक टाइम पे इतना ज़्यादा अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट फील होता है कि हम अपने आप को क्वेश्चन करने लगते हैं कि विल आई बी एबल टू डू इट. सो I think I'm going through that phase of my life, but I'll definitely say that these letters have just reminded me that if you're working hard, if you're believing in yourself, it's all yours. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. And I'm still just falling for my belief. The way I have mentioned that I have to clear my attempt, I will clear my attempt, and that is giving me a new motivation to move ahead with positivity, with belief, and the faith which this Avantika had 3 years back. So this about it that I really wanted to share and talk about. And if you are watching this video and अगर आपने यहाँ तक पूरा देखा है, so I'll request you to please like the video and drop in the comment section अगर आपने भी ऐसा कुछ experience किया है, if you have ever written some letters to yourself and कुछ चीज़ें जो आपने लिखी है वो पूरी हो गई है, your manifestation have come true. So I'll glad to know, और मे बी वो मोटिवेशन, वो फेथ और भी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाए. So thank you so much.